If you're doing a ton of welding and you keep adding accessories to your welder, then you're gonna need some place to store them. And there's no better place than right next to your welder. The Eastwood Toolbox Welding cart is the perfect cart to consolidate all of your welding supplies into one area. This cart has 4 large drawers to house gloves, magnets, scribes, consumables, and so much more. The top drawer is perfect for keeping your consumables nice and organized because it comes with a 9-slot divider. The bottom drawer is even 16 inches by 11 inches by 8 inches deep. The extra large top shelf is big enough to fit a MIG 175, TIG 200, or plasma cutter. We even included 2 hooks to hang your leads and ground cables so they don't have to be hanging off the welding bottle. This cart is capable of holding up to 300 pounds of welder and accessories. It has a heavy-duty steel rod axle and large 7-inch rear wheels, as well as 4-inch front swivel casters so you can easily move this around your shop or garage. We even included 2 heavy-duty adjustable straps to ensure that this bottle does not move around on you when you're rolling it around the shop. Like I said before, if you are using this cart, you're probably going to be doing a ton of welding. We made sure that this can hold up to a 120 cubic foot bottle of gas. And don't forget, this is even backed by Eastwood's 1-year warranty. For more information on this cart or any other cart we offer, click the link to visit eastwood.com.